The change is finally here. Samsung has finally decided to bring its biggest evolution to their camera since the original 108MP sensor on the S20 Ultra. Spoiler alert, it's not just a megapixel bump, there's more to this camera that could prove to be a pretty big upgrade compared to last generation. Unlike Sony, Samsung is literally the only one exploring this path to mobile photography, and I'm excited for it. First up, the sensor. According to iCineverse, Samsung is planning to use the new ISOCELL HP2 sensor with, you guessed it, 200MP resolution. Like I said, there's more to this sensor, which is, of course, Samsung introducing a brand new binning technology called as Hexa square pixel. Hexa square pixel binning is the next step from Samsung's current tetrapixel technology. With Hexa binning at 200MP, we could be looking at near 35MP photos output. What's amazing is that because of 35MP resolution, for the first time ever on any phone, we're going to see true 8K video without any crop at 60 frames per second. This is Samsung's secret to unlock the monster potential of their 200MP sensor thanks to hexapixel binning on the S23 Ultra. We're definitely not gonna see hexa binning on already released ISOCELL HP sensors from Samsung, so this sensor is specifically designed for the S23 Ultra to bring that new tech. And don't forget, with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 coming with an even stronger and powerful ISP, handling the true 8K video along with the 35MP output won't be an issue. Now that's not all of it. This sensor could also be an RGBW sensor. This means that the camera on the S23 Ultra will have fuller color palette and better light sensitivity than last year's S22 Ultra, which obviously used the traditional RGB sensor. So in a nutshell, the Hexa 200MP RGBW sensor is the one that could be on the S23 Ultra, which is set to bring 35MP photo output and of course true 8K capability and better colors. Like I said, Samsung is the only one exploring this idea. We've already seen phones with the 1-inch sensor, and I'm even personally trying out the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, which is amazing, but it definitely kills the design aesthetic of a phone, which is very important for Samsung. As you can see, the S22 Ultra is, in my opinion, a far prettier phone than the 12S Ultra. This is the reason why Samsung will not be using 1-inch sensors on their own phones, rather explore different technologies using hexa binning and higher megapixel counts to possibly achieve the same result. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.